We are looking at how to pronounce this name, as well as how to say more interesting and so often mispronounced animal names too, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. For reference, this is a word of Spanish origin, and in Spanish it is pronounced as iguana, iguana. In British English, this is pronounced rather similarly as iguana, iguana. You do want to stress on the middle syllable. In American English, however, for some reason, this is usually said as iguana, iguana in American English, or iguana in British English. And now you know it all. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words and names, including animal names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.